So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at a certain issue and how to fix it. Now, many of you with your phones may have discovered that your power button is not working. So your power button is not working, and you need to turn on or turn off the screen. So I don't have the power button. How do I turn it off, or how do I turn it back on? So in case you're facing this issue, like, let's look at what you can easily do on a Samsung phone. Now, there's one neat little feature wherein just double tapping on the screen can make it go off, and again double tapping on it can bring it back. So how do we do that? Head towards your phone settings on Samsung, and here scroll down until you see advanced features. Tap on that, head towards motions and gestures, and just toggle or check this double tap feature to turn on and turn off. Now come back, double tap, there you go. Works like magic, doesn't it? So it's pretty simple for those of you who may be having trouble finding where this is on your Samsung phone. Simply head towards the search console on your phone settings and just type double tap, and there you go. You will come to know where it hides. I say this because it's not always that you will find this double tap under like advanced features. So for your specific variety of Samsung device, it may be in a different location. So go ahead and do this. So once you do this, effectively what you do with your power button can be done with the double tap thing as well. So another like cool little app that you have on Play Store is called Volume Power Button. What this effectively does is it will interchange your power and volume button. You can see that it writes the software is for you if your power button is broken or it's not working. So I really don't think there is any need of it, because if you're using a Samsung phone, the double tap native feature, it really is it's a wonderful thing. But in case you are having problems with that, or you are having a different device, you can try the Volume Power app as well, and hopefully your stuff is fixed. You simply have to just accept everything and toggle all options to on, and like literally you can use the volume down button for like turning off or turning on the phone. So that's it, guys. I mean, I just hope that today's tutorial is really helpful for those of you who have their power buttons messed up. So in case that happens to be one of you, kindly consider subscribing to our channel, because I think this might have helped. Also, please do share this on social media handles and spread the word with your friends and relatives. That really makes my day. And if possible, do let me know in the comment section whether this helps you. And well, that should be all from my side. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.